Hello students, good morning to all of you. In this class we will discuss how to convert all the number system. In the previous class we have already discussed what is a number system and different types of number system. So let us start our first topic, conversion of decimal into binary number. How to convert decimal number system into binary number systems. There the steps are given to convert. The first, divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Here is the question is given 25. It is in the decimal form and we have to convert in the binary form, which is in the form of 0 and 1. So first divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. So we have to basically divide here 25 by the base 2. And then after we have to write the remainder. Write the remainder often in the each step in the reverse order to form the binary in the reverse order. So let's check. 25 is given 25 and we have to divide it by 2 and remainder we have to write this side. So if we will divide 25 by 2, then what will come? 2 1s are 2, 4 is written here, 2 2s are 4 and here will be 5. 2 2s are 4 and remainder is 1. Then quotient will be 12 and remainder is 1. So quotient we will write here and remainder we will write here. Got it? Again, it will be continue until quotient will come 0. So 2 6 are 12, then remainder will be 0 because 12 is here. So remainder will be 0. Again 2 3 just 6. Remainder will be 0. We have to divide it. 2 1s are 2. Remainder will be 1. And in the last 2 0 1. So here quotient will come 0. Now we have to write in the reverse order. Means from bottom to up. 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. Remainder we have to write from bottom to up in the reverse order to get up in the binary form and base will be 2. So hope you understood. Next question again we will check and then after you will understand better. 34 is given here. We will write 34 and with which number we will divide? Yes, with the 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Remainder will be 0. Like here we will divide, then 2 1s are 2, 1 here, 2 7s are 14. And remainder will become 0 and quotient is 17. Again 2 8s are 16. Then 16, here is written 17. When we will minus, we will get 1 remainder. 2 4s are 8. 0 will be quotient. Again 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. 0. 2 1s are 2. 0. Here will be 2. 0 and 1. Then answer will be 1 0 0 1 0. So this is the answer of 34 decimal which we have converted into binary form. Nothing you have to do, just simply divide by 2. Quotient you have to write here. Remainder will come in the 0 and 1 form. In the 0 and 1 form only remainder will come, and after getting whole, after getting the quotient 0, what you have to do? You have to write in the reverse order. Next topic is conversion of binary to decimal number. Now there in this side we are converting decimal into binary. Here we have to convert binary into decimal number. So what will be the step? Multiply each binary number with its positional value. So first we need to know what is the positional value. So which is in terms of power of 2. First we have to put a positional value, and then positional value will come in the power of 2, starting from the extreme right side. So this is the question, okay, 1 0 1 0. It is in the binary form, and what you have to do, in the extreme right side you have to put the positional value, and it will start from the 0, like 0 1 2 3, and it will be continue up to your value. Okay, this is called positional value, and this positional value will come in the power of 2. Got it? Increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the fixed as 2. As we have done, we have increased the value 0 1 2 3. Okay, calculate the sum of the. So here you can see 0 is written, we have written 0, and the positional value will be in the power of 2 to the power 0. Again 1 we have written, the positional value to the power 1, 0 to the power 2, and then the last 1 into to the power 3. So you have to process the same value. You have to write. Now calculate it. Calculate 0 into, now here you have to understand कि if any digit whose power is 0, then value will become 1. Any digit, if 56 is written and power is 0, then value will be 1. 139 is written, power is 0, then value will be 1. So any digit, if power is 0, then value will be 1. Here is 1 we have written, but when we will multiply 1 into 0, then value will be 0. Okay, 1 into 2 the power 2, 2. 0 into 2 the power 4, value will be 0. Any digit we will multiply with 0, the value will be 0. 1 into, now 3 times write 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, then 8, then answer it. And in the last what is it? Calculate the sum of all the products. We have got it now, sum of all the product. 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8. What we will get? 10. 10 the base 10. So this is converted in the decimal form. Got it? Next question again we will solve. What first we have to do? First we have to put a positional value. 0, 1, 2, 3. After putting, what we have to write first? 1 into, what will be the base? 2 to the power 3. Again 0 into 2 to the power 2. Why we are writing 2 here? Because we are converting binary to decimal. So binary means 2, na? So that's why we will write 2. The base of binary is 2. That's why we are writing 2 here. Again 0 into 2 to the power 1, and 1 into 2 to the power 0. So after this, what we will do? We will calculate this one. So answer will be 1 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Then 0 into 2 to the 4 plus 0 into 2 1 the 2, and 1 into here, what will become? 0? No, here will come 1 to the power 0.